Let's make this beautiful daisy chain bracelet. Here's what you'll need. 1 lobster claw clasp, a jump ring, 2 crimper beads, 60 to 100 centimeters of non-stretch bead thread. Make sure it fits your wrist. Seed beads in white, yellow, purple, orange and red, and long nose head pliers. Step 1. Start by cutting 1 100 centimeter length of non-stretch bead thread. Step 2. Attaching the jump ring. Feed one end of the thread through the jump ring, then add 1 crimper bead. Make sure you loop the other end of the thread back through the same end of the crimper bead. Pull the thread tight so the jump ring is secure, making sure both ends of the thread are even. Make sure you use your pliers to press the crimper bead flat and secure the ring. Step 3. It's time to make your first daisy. So take a coloured seed bead and pass both ends of the thread through it in opposite directions, forming an X shape. Pull the thread ends to bring the bead to the jump ring. Step 4. Thread 2 coloured beads on each end. Then, take a white seed bead and pass both ends through it to form the centre of the flower. Step 5. Forming the flower shape. Fold the thread ends back, forming a heart shape. Feed each end back through the 2 adjacent beads on its side. Finish the daisy by threading both ends through a final bead in opposite directions. And of course, tighten to secure the flower. Step 7. Starting the next daisy. Add 2 coloured beads, 1 on each thread. Then start your next flower by adding a new coloured bead and passing both ends through it in opposite directions. Step 8. Repeat the daisy pattern until your bracelet reaches the desired length. Step 9. Attaching the clasp. To finish, thread both ends through a crimper bead. Then, through the lobster claw clasp, loop the ends back through the crimper bead, pull tight, and crimp with pliers to secure. And that's it, your handmade daisy chain bracelet is ready to wear or gift.